Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Perplexity AI. This feature allows you to create custom visuals based on text descriptions, making it incredibly useful for quick mockups, creative ideas, or just experimenting with AI-generated art. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your account details to access the platform. This step ensures you have full access to all of Perplexity's features, including the image generation capability. After logging in, you'll land on the main Perplexity homepage. Here, locate the search bar positioned at the center of the page. This search bar is your primary tool for interacting with Perplexity AI, whether you're asking questions or generating images. It's designed to handle both text queries and creative requests seamlessly. Now comes the important part. Type a descriptive prompt into the search bar, starting with phrases like generate an image of or create a picture of. For example, you could type generate an image of a futuristic cityscape at sunset. The key here is to be as specific as possible with your description. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can understand what you're looking for and produce an image that matches your vision. Think about elements like setting, mood, colors, or specific objects you want included. Once you've typed your prompt, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon to submit it. Perplexity AI is smart enough to automatically detect that you're requesting an image, so there's no need to hunt for a separate button or toggle a special mode. The system processes your request and begins generating the image alongside a text response. After a moment, the generated image will appear in the response area below any text answer Perplexity provides. You'll see the image embedded directly in the results, making it easy to view immediately. Below the image, you'll notice a couple of options available to you. If you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save the image to your device. This allows you to use it wherever you need, whether that's for a presentation, social media, or personal projects. However, if the image doesn't quite match what you had in mind, click the Regenerate button instead. This prompts Perplexity to create a new version based on the same prompt, giving you another chance to get closer to your desired outcome. And that's it. You've successfully generated an image using Perplexity AI by simply describing what you wanted in the search bar. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.